So what does that mean if Easter is today?
Easter egg hunting!
Oh, well, you better get looking.
First, we gotta see if the Easter bunny took our eggs.
Oh, okay. Well, let's look.
But I'm gonna go look. Me and my family will look too.
Okay.
I mean, me and whoever this, whatever this is. Me and Mommy, come look!
Okay, I'm coming.
Look, Mommy, look!
Oh my goodness, what is that?
Candy.
Oh, is there candy there?
Yeah, and then some jelly and our egg.
Oh, yep. Well, what else do we got?
Now you get to pack me some candy in my lunch.
Oh, you think so, huh?
We're gonna have to be careful not to step on eggs. Let's see what else we do. Let me take that. I found another piece. And another.
Oh, it looks like the Easter Bunny left you a note.
What did it say?
It says, "Thank you for the card and coin. It was very nice to receive these. Have a wonderful Easter and don't forget to listen to your mom. Love, the Easter Bunny."
I do. I won't forget. Let's go see again. Mommy,
Yeah.
you left me a sucker and a chocolate. The orange one.
Yeah.
Pink. Bye-bye. Wait, did he? I didn't make the green one. He got my pink one. He put my pink one there. And a chocolate milk bunny. Did I see what I saw? I don't think I saw, but I think he gave me.
What?
Hello, kitty.
Yay! Wow!
He gave me a new Easter basket
Oh, wow.
with a bunch of stuff. I knew something else. There was a ball and then a pencil. Huh? It's just like my second Easter. A chocolate bunny.
Oh my gosh, that's going to be so much fun to eat.
A new diary. And a learning advance.
You put them on?
Wait, do I have to go to school today?
No.
Oh, yay.
Here, just put them on. I'll cut it off later.
I'm a bunny. I'm an Easter bunny.
You are an Easter Bunny. All right, what do you say to the Easter Bunny?
Thank you.
Okay.